Hello, this is Shirley from Wayon Stone. Choosing the right countertop is crucial for a more high-end kitchen. Wayon Quartz Stone combines performance and aesthetics, achieving antibacterial, stay-resistant, and easy-to-clean performance. The first item, WG530 Stellar Stream Gold. It has a natural and simple texture with natural light. The second item, WG527 Charles Gray. Ethereal and elegant texture color makes the kitchen and bathroom space more elegant. The third item, WG477 Starlit Black. It is full of artistic sense, revitalizing the exquisite style of the space. Wayon Quartz Stone has a variety of styles with over 100 designs that are suitable for your design and processing needs. We support customized quartz stone size and processing. Interested friends can send us a private message.